Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks, and this is the Spypoint LINK MICRO-S-LTE, and that means it's solar powered. Combined with its fast cellular data transfer, you can track animals, observe their habits, and see pictures on your phone, tablet, or PC when you want them. You avoid the expensive battery, so it's self-sufficient and it'll just keep on going. You might never need to disturb your camera's location. The ultra-compact camouflage body makes it easily concealed. You can mount it on a tripod, but you're more likely to strap this Spypoint to a tree, adding a cable through here if greater security is needed, or there's a Spypoint steel security box. Spypoint makes setting up simple. Download the free app to your phone and scan the QR code here to activate your camera. The unit comes complete with a lithium battery pack. Just charge it fully, then pop it in here and the sun will keep it topped up. Slot in a formatted micro SD card, turn it on and adjust the antenna if needed to connect to any one of the UK's major 4 mobile networks. And that flash means you have 30 seconds to lock it up and get out of the way. It's that simple. And if your Spypoint detects movement within 80 feet, the 10 megapixel camera triggers in 0.4 of a second to take a colour picture by day, or at night illuminate up to 80 feet with infrared and capture a black and white image. All your HD images are saved to the micro SD card and stamped with a date, time, moon phase and temperature. But that cellular antenna sends a copy to your phone too. And it also allows you to communicate with your device so you can check the battery status, signal strength, number of photos taken and control all manner of settings from when you want the camera to operate, add a delay between shots, schedule when you want the pictures to be sent to you and adjust the camera's sensitivity to put you in control to get the maximum benefit from your Spypoint. And when it comes to control, the Spypoint Link app offers 4 plan options, from 100 photos a month for free to unlimited. You get a 30-day free trial for the unlimited plan and you can switch between plans as your needs change. This is the Spypoint LINK MICRO-S-LTE. It's small, it's solar powered, it works through your phone and it comes with a 2-year guarantee. You can find out more at thomasjacks.co.uk, or for more videos like this click subscribe. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.